All right, real quickly here. First time I ever tried this. So this is kiwi. There was 7 in the package that I bought, organic kiwis from my online drive store. Um, I like kiwis. I might have bought them 5 times in my whole life. The reason is because I'm not big into eating the seeds. Trying to peel them, take the seeds out is just too annoying. It's just too small and too much time consuming. So this time I decided, I wonder if I can make a smoothie. I looked it up. They say you could actually eat the whole kiwi, even the skin. But yeah, that skin isn't like eating apple skin or a pear or something like that. It's really rough and leathery, and nah, not for me. So what I did is I took 6 kiwis and I just sliced the ends off where that hard part is. Um, then I just peeled them. When I peeled them, I just used a really sharp knife and kind of like filleting a fish. I did it um, so I wouldn't waste as much kiwi as usual. And then I just threw them in and I blended them up. Once I blended it up, I knew that, and I wasn't thinking it would be like gelatinous and gooey, but I guess that's what the seeds do. It reminds me of chia seeds in water. It gives you that like gelatinous type kind of thing. You know, if you ever done chia seeds in water or flax seeds or any kind of seeds like that, how it does that, and they say, you know, use that instead of using egg in your baking for vegan. So I added some almond milk to it, and then I added a little bit of raw honey to get a sweetness in. Now it's good. It doesn't have that nice, beautiful taste of the kiwi, the green part, because the seeds, I guess, give it some kind of kick. I don't know. Let me try it again and explain it to you. I don't know. I guess it's the seed that gets ground up. It gives it like some kind of, I don't know how to describe it. It's not so much a taste as it is a feeling. Like you get the nice kiwi flavor and then you get this feeling on your tongue, like this tingling. Like say you eat something spicy and sweet and that hotness just burns your tongue kind of feeling, but doesn't have a taste. You know what I mean? That's what it's like, I guess I can explain it. Anyway, I'll keep this short and simple. Kiwi smoothie, minus the skin, the whole kiwi, the seeds and everything. Not bad, but would I do this on a regular basis? No, kiwis are expensive. It just, I don't know. It's just not something that I would do normally. But if you're a big fan of kiwis and you've been just eating them or peeling them and eating them or whatever and throwing them in your salad, try it in a smoothie form. You don't have to add almond milk. You could add water, but I like the almond milk. Gives it a creaminess. And then I added a touch of honey. So try it. And again, it's the greenness disappeared because of the seeds. And you can see they all got grounded. All right, simple. It's good. It tastes really good. But if kiwis were bigger and didn't have any seeds, it would be one of my favorite smoothies in fruit. But just the how small it is and the amount of seeds in it, it's just not for me. Otherwise, somebody should maybe genetically modify in a positive way without destroying the fruit a giant kiwi the size of a cantaloupe or a watermelon with hardly any seeds at all. Now how awesome would that be? All right, lots of love to you. Bye.